Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a bar chart on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer or PC. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a bar chart on your Microsoft Excel web, I'm just going to show. So first of all, you just need to select the class I just showed as a class here. Then you just need to, after selecting the data, you just need to click on the insert option on the top. Now you will see a lot of options here, and you just need to click on the bar option. So here there will be a 3 bar called clustered bar, stocked bar, and 100% stocked bar. If I just need to cluster bar, you can just click this, and if you just need to change the theme, you just click on the bar option and you can just change the themes like this. The second thing, if you just need to change the color of the stocked bar or bar line, just double tap here and you will see an option on the side. So just double tap it and you can see the full color can be changed like this. And also this also can be changed from the full color like this. And also if you just need to change the turn off the chart title, you can just turn off, you can just edit it by double tapping here, and then you can just change the position like overlay or above, and also change the font size and also the basic text formatting options. And also you can just see about the data, and also you can just change the value of the from here, and you can see all the options are available on the top and also on the sideways. So this is how you just insert a bar chart on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.